Hi! I go back to my allergy specialist on Friday, next Friday. And I'm praying it doesn't take 3 hours like it did last time because, like I said before, that was just nuts. So, I'll be getting the results of my chest test x-ray, and they did a CT scan or whatever of my sinuses to see if I have a sinus infection. So, yeah, but then my birthday's coming up, so I'm excited about that, because my life is changing pretty quickly right now, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, yeah, I'm hoping next Friday will not take 3 hours. I don't think it will, but with this guy, I don't know. We'll find out. I'm assuming there's going to be more tests done if it's not a sinus infection, and if it's not what he's saying it is, so I don't know. We'll find out. Cough's getting better, though. Today's been a little iffy because of the wind, and I was out in the cold, but what are you going to do? I can't stop living life for anything, so